Welcome to your Youth Day weather forecast, where the day starts off with a bit of cloud over parts of the Northern Cape, and we're expecting a windy start of the day along the Eastern Cape coast. Now we'll start to see that southwesterly wind gust along the KwaZulu-Natal coast in the second part of the day, with some clouds still remaining along South Africa's coastline. And although cooler weather starts to move in over the northeastern part of the country, we'll see warmer temperatures from the north. The South African Weather Service have issued a warning for high seas along much of the Eastern Cape coast for Monday, and we're expecting a total sea of between 6 and 9 metres. Our rainfall probability map for the day shows a dry forecast across South Africa, which means no rain is expected. Daytime highs will peak in the mid-teens for the Free State as well as Kimberley, 13 for De Aar, 19 for Graaff-Reinet and Uppington, 18 degrees as we head into Cape Town and Port Elizabeth, with daytime highs in the low 20s along the east coast and a maximum of 20 degrees for Pietermaritzburg, Pretoria and Polokwane, but with quite a cool day for Johannesburg at 17 degrees. Along the west coast, we're expecting good beach conditions with a light to moderate southeasterly wind, and here we're forecasting a swell height of 3.5 metres from the southwest, with waves breaking between 5 and 6 feet. In the southwest, we're also expecting good beach conditions with a light northwesterly wind for the Atlantic side, more of a west-southwesterly wind for False Bay, and then a fresh westerly wind for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas. Stronger winds are expected for Cape Agulhas, so moderate beach conditions there with a swell height of 4 metres and wave heights between 5 and 7 feet. Along the south coast, we're expecting good beach conditions for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay with a moderate westerly wind, but with fresh winds in the forecast for Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. And along the south coast, we're still expecting quite a large swell of 4.5 metres with waves breaking between 6 and 8 feet. Along the east coast, we'll see a southwesterly wind for the Wild Coast and East London, with strong winds in the forecast for East London, particularly in the first part of the day, with a fresh southwesterly wind for Durban and a fresh southerly to southwesterly wind for Richards Bay. And here we're expecting a swell height of 4 metres with waves breaking between 5 and 7 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Know more. eNCA.com